Come along with me as I make this deck look like this. Okay, today we got a big deck project. I'm going to be cleaning this and then applying a brightener. Need a lot of work. I'm going to be here most of the day. Got some concrete and the house to wash, but you know, this is the big project. Okay, so I'm just going through, giving everything a good rinse because there's a lot of mud. There's a lot of mud right here. So I went with a pressure washer and the water instead of my backpack blower. This is what we'll be getting off. This is what was under that mud, all this nice green algae. Okay, so now we got everything rinsed off, all the mud taken care of. Now I'm just going through and giving everything a good drink. I'm not the best gardener. I don't know what's weeds and what's flowers, so it all gets a drink. There. Not gonna lie, this deck is kicking my butt. So it's wet. I put down, you know, I cleaned it, and then I put down my brightener, and then I just rinsed it off. It'll dry to more of like this color. Where's my hand? This color here.